Hello, my name is Colton with Aristatek, and today I'm going to show you how to export data from Tier2Submit. As you can tell by the red exclamation mark next to one of our demo facilities, we are missing some information inside that facility's report. If we try to export now, despite the warning, the Tier2Submit program will tell us that the facility is not valid for submission, as I'm demonstrating now. Instead, we need to fix or remove the issue facility. Now we can click the Export/Submit button from the top right-hand corner of the screen. Make sure you have Create a Submission File and all facilities selected, then click Make File. At this point, you'll need to create a file name and save it somewhere on your computer that you'll be able to find it later when submitting. That's it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.